Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing great because today I'm really excited because I'm going on a virtual prom thingy with my best friends, Corinne and Elliana. Super excited. And if you watched my last video, you might have seen Corinne asked me if I still like Stefan. Drum roll, please. Yes! I actually do still like Stefan. Hope all the girls that wanted him are mad because me and him are like, so. Anyway, before we get into this video, I want you to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you did it. If you didn't, just try again. Okay, so this year would be the first year I could go to school dances. But since I went homeschooled this year, and because of COVID-19, I'm not able to do that. So I thought it would be super fun to do a virtual one with all my best friends. So when I was about 7 years old, my mom brought me into this store and there was a really pretty dress and I wanted to buy it, and I told my mom that's what I was gonna wear to prom when I'm old enough. And so we bought it. It's under the bed and the bed is really messy. But I haven't seen it since I was 7 years old, so it could be terribly ugly. And it could not fit me right, probably. That's what I'm assuming. But we're gonna do this anyways. Okay, so I haven't seen this dress since I was 7 years old, so what if it's really ugly? What if it doesn't fit me? How am I supposed to wear this? Oh my god. I'm wearing it anyway for you guys, even though I really don't want it. Okay, let's open this now. Oh god. Okay guys, so during the quarantine, I actually did make some new friends, which is really great for me. And they're 3 amazing makeup artists. So I'm gonna introduce both of my friend groups to each other, and they're gonna help us with our makeup. I think they're gonna do a really great job. Let's talk a little bit about them. Harrison, first of all, he is really funny, super good at makeup, really talented. He's 11 years old. Sky, she's beautiful. She's very classy. She has great taste. Mikey, we have the same taste. He's super good at makeup too. So is Sky. They're all just amazing makeup artists and they all have great personalities, and each one of them are like different. And I'm pairing them with the people that I think they work best with. So let's get started. Okay guys, so basically for today's video, we're obviously going on a virtual prom. Woo! So let's start off by introducing our makeup artists. These are like the youngest makeup artists that are also the best in the entire world, obviously. We've got the next Jeffree Star, James Charles, Nikki Tutorials, you know, we've just got the best out of the best right here. So. Okay, so we have Harrison. I'll type for Harrison. Mikey. And Sky. I'll type for Sky.
Hi.
Thank you guys so much for joining. It's really nice to see you. Okay, so next we have Corinne. Woo!
Hi guys.
And then we've got the beautiful dancer, Elliana. Woo! Woo!
Yo, what is up?
Oh, and then there's me, you know. Okay, so Corinne and Harrison. There's a fly. Okay, so Corinne and Harrison, you guys are gonna be partnered up. Mikey and Elliana, you two will be paired up. And then Sky, you're with me.
Yay, lucky man.
Okay. All right, guys, we'll see you all back here in an hour. Let's get started. Okay, Sky, so I did an Instagram poll, and I asked them if I should put my hair up or down, and they said down. What do you think?
I think a messy braid would be really pretty, but if not, I like your hair when it is. Maybe have some braids or something.
Okay, I've actually got a brunette right here, which I thought would be super cute, but sounds good. Let's get started with the makeup. Should I do eyeshadow first or highlight?
I think you should do your face first and then do your eyeshadow.
Okay. Hi! Okay, but I have a bunch of makeup, and we've got Jim Strong palette, I've got a kimchi palette.
I think you should do like neutral eye and then the shade of the dress as lips. What I would do, I think you should take like that color and put it on your lid, and then take a brown and put it above your crease.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
Hi! What's up? You're all fancy and like, you know, your eye and your highlighter is so fancy. You're welcome. Okay, so see if you can have a good makeup.
You could put like gold on your eyelid.
Oh yeah, that would be good. Okay. Yeah, definitely like kind of like a gold kind of look. That'd be good. I have like a lot of colors for that.
I feel like anything gold or like the pearl ones could be really cute with that dress.
Yeah, okay, for sure.
Okay, this is actually super cute, Sky.
Oh, I'm gonna put on my dress, actually. Y'all can't see my dress.
Yeah, it looks so good. I don't see her.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, you look so pretty. Oh my gosh. You look so good, Bella.
You look so pretty.
You look so good, Elliana.
You look so pretty.
Thank you so much.
You look so good. You look so good.
Pretty. Oh my gosh, it
Oh
looks
my god. I'm living. Your hair looks
It
so
looks
pretty.
so cute.
I love your hair, yeah.
You makeup artists did a really good job. All of us look great.
Thank you.
I know, right? So amazing. This was so fun.
I know.
I know this was like just fun to dress up a little bit.
Yeah, exactly. Cause like, I mean, I'm sad like we can't go anywhere though, you know.
Yeah, I haven't dressed up in like weeks.
I know.
I wish this was real life because then we could have like a little dance party and get to like see each other in like full effect, and it would be super fun. Who is that?
Wait, someone's joined.
Yeah, who's that?
Hello?
Hello.
Red man.
Hey, Prince Charming is here.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was really nice to see everybody and just introduce 2 different friend groups, and we all got along super well, which was fantastic. And it was really nice to see everybody dressed up because most of us have been in our pajamas the entire time. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video. Love you so much. Bye. Oh, also my little secret. This dress didn't fit.